doing well. Sorry for being late, it's out of our control. And now we come back with the new strategies, new matches, new leagues, and new competitions, and also new national teams. So let's start. The first match is Slovenia versus Serbia. This match is going to be like this: Slovenia will score at least one goal. Okay? If they score only one goal, you will be refunded. The England versus Denmark match will be England will win. Also Spain versus Italy. This match is gonna be like this. Italy will score at least one goal. The fourth match is Argentina versus Canada. Argentina will win the match. And also Club Atlético Mineiro versus EC Vitoria Salvador. This match is gonna be like this, over 2 goals. Okay. So, take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.